Hey everyone, this is Laurie and I am going to go over tonight with you training on the compensation plan, a little bit on strategic planning, and a little bit on commissions. So this is going to be an interactive call, and I am going to show you my screen. So hold on just one moment and let me find the keynote that I was working on. Here it is. Okay, so can't move this out of the way. Hold on one second. There we go. Okay, so how to build long-term success. And so it's strategic placement and rank advancing for the fastest way possible. And so this is a little bit of what I teach and train in my team. This is a really short, going to be a really short explanation. I'll do a longer one later. But I just wanted to get this out because several people were asking. So first of all, first and foremost, we want you to get your money back. So that's your first goal, right? Get you green, get your money back. So we get paid 60% of all the retail volume. So the retail price, right? We get paid 60% of that. So 100% of the volume counts towards rank promotion. Of course, we get a 25% discount on that also. And then 60% of the retail volume is for actual commissions. So for this example, we're going to say you buy 2 packs of 28 patches on Smartship. Now, if you're anyone like me, I don't even know how many I have on right now. Right now I have here's Victory, Focus, and Lumi. Or no, this one's Rocket. I have to remember which one I put on because so many of them are clear now. And then on my stomach, I have Lumi, Peace, Defend. What else do I have on? I have Liberty on my stomach also. And I have the Lumi Peace Defend. Yeah, so I think that's it. And then I have REM on at night to sleep. So anyway, but in this example, we're just going to make it easy. So in order to get paid commissions, you have to have $90 worth of volume personally or $120 worth of customer volume. So the easy, fastest way to get that is have 2 packs of patches on Smartship. Then you can order whatever you want extra at any time you want, but that's the easy way. You can also edit your Smartship at any time to be more patches, be less patches, change them out, whatever you want to do. For me, I leave 2 patches on Smartship and I just leave it alone. I have 2 patches of Liberty on Smartship. I just leave that alone. I don't touch it because I go through Liberty more with patching people. And then whenever I need patches, I usually just buy one of the big kits and just replenish my stock. But anyway, that's just how I do it. So, but anyway, for this example, we're going to talk about you buying 2 packs of 28 patches on Smartship. So that's $90. So that will qualify for you for commissions anyway. So then you earn 25% on any customers you refer, and they get 25% off their first order. So that's really cool, right? So, so you earn 25%, they get 25% off. When you have a customer buy a pack of patches at $45, where they get the 25% off, you're going to earn $11.25. If you have a customer that buys a pack of patches at $60, then you're going to earn $15. So your goal at the beginning is to refer 3 customers who order 2 packs of patches a month. So that would be $45 a month to you. Do this and half of your patches are paid for, right? You buy $90 a month, you get 3 customers, $45 a month. So if you get 6 customers, that's $90 a month, and then your patches are paid for. But so we're going to also work on referring some associates. So you refer 2 associates who do 2 patches a month on Smartship. Then you'll start to earn 10% at the beginning on your first level. But once you get to team leader, that first level is raised to 15%. And you can get to team leader with just 6 people. And it doesn't have to be your 6, all your 6 people, right? It could be 2 who get 2, which is the perfect scenario that we like to get. Also, I wanted to add in here, I didn't note this in my page, but if you get 3 associates who do 2 patches a month on Smartship and you're having 2 patches a month on Smartship, then you get a free set of 2 packs of patches each month, the following month. So that's really good to do because then you're getting your patches technically at 50% off, right? So that's another thing you want to do. But we're going to just the same thing for the scenario. We're just going to talk about 2 who get 2 for this part. So you can get to team leader, like I said, with 6 people. We also recommend to strategically place people this way if it doesn't happen automatically. Of course, the perfect world scenario, we want you to get 2 people, and then we want those 2 people to get 2 people. That gets you 6 people, and that gets you to team leader. That's how we want it. But if your 2 people don't move as quickly as you do and you get some more people, then you can strategically place your people so you get to team leader faster. And if you get to team leader within 3 months, you're going to get an extra $500 bonus. So here's a little thing. Can I move this out of my way? Let's see. I don't know if you guys see this thing up at the top. I don't think it's letting me move it. Sorry. Okay, so anyway, so fastest way to team leader is what that says at the top. So you at the top, you have 3,000 in volume. You refer 2 people and they have to have 540 in volume. That makes them QA. When you get 2 people and between you and your 2 people, you have 540 in volume, then that makes you QA. So then your next goal is to get 3,000 in volume with your 2 people having 540 in volume. And then they each get 2 people that have $90 each in volume, right? So that makes them active if you have at least $90. So if you get this scenario within 3 months, then you earn an extra $500 bonus. Now, most people, they'll get this in a day or 2, sometimes less than a week, but it's whatever you want. If you get it within 3 months, you're going to get an extra $500 bonus. I tell people don't sit on it, try to get it done as fast as you can because to get to the rank advances later, they get harder. And for you to get that bonus on time, it does get harder. So this one's pretty easy. So get it done as fast as you can. So what happens here is, so say you get person 1 and 2, and nobody else has gotten anyone yet, and you get another one, you could strategically place your person under where this 1A is if you wanted. You could also do it under the 2A, it doesn't matter, but it's whatever you want to do. But and you don't have to move them, but if you want to get to that rank advancement and your extra bonus faster, then if you're signing up people faster, you can get there faster by doing that strategic placement. Like I said, you always want to get the people, them to get their own people, but if they don't and you want to move faster, then you can. And so as a team leader in this example, like I said, this is all examples. So, but we're going to say in this example, you're a team leader. You and each of your people referred 3 customers. So everyone in this example, each rep refers 3 customers, ordering 2 packs a month. Each rep is on Smartship with 2 packs a month, right? So your total income for level 0, which is you and your 3 customers, you don't get paid on yourself. So your 3 customers with 2 packs each is $45. Then you refer 3 customers who order 2 packs of patches a month. That's the $45 to you. So then you have 2 reps on level 1. They each have a 2 pack on Smartship, and they each have 3 customers with 2 packs on Smartship, right? So we're saying that for all these people. So your level 1 bonus, your level 1 is $360 in volume, and we're paid on 60% of the retail volume, right? So you're paid on $288 worth of volume. So on your level 1 as a team leader, you get 15%. But when you see it in your back office, the breakdown, it's 11% and 4%. So that's just the way it's listed in the back office. So your 11% is 3168, and then your 4% is 1152. So your total income for level 1 with 2 reps with 3 customers each, and you have your 3 customers each, everybody's on 2 packs a month Smartship. Your income is 8640. Okay, and so that's just for your level 1. Then you've still got that 45 above. Then your level 2, you have $720 of volume, which you're paid on $576 of that. And the same thing, you get 10% on your level 2. But for this example, the same thing, we're going to show you the way it's listed in your back office. On your commission sheet, it's listed at 6% and 4%. So you get 3456 on the 6%, 2304 on the 4%. So that equals $230.40, right? And the reason they list it this way is because, for example, if you get, like how we talked about, so you get your 2 personals, and then say you get another one personally, and your 2 people don't have their 2 people yet, you can strategically place that person. Then what happens is you're still going to get your 11% because that's your personal referral commission. And then you're going to get the 4%. So you're technically still getting that 15%. But that's the way why it's broke up that way. So your income level on level 2 is $230.40. So if you add these all up, the 45, the 8640, the 230.40, that means your total for that month commission was $361.80. So who couldn't use an extra $361.80 a month, right? Extra a month. I mean, that's a lot of people, that might be their car payment or part of their house payment or whatever you want to count it towards, right? But most people wouldn't mind having that extra money, right? So then the next one, this says at the top, the fastest way to director. And now it says my screen sharing is paused, so I'm not sure if it's showing this or not. Whoops. And I don't know how to get it to. I can't see. I can't see what I'm clicking on. My cursor's not showing in this. I'm sorry, y'all. Now I need to get this box out of the way. Whoops. Okay, well, I got that box out of the way. I don't know if you can see this or not, so I'll have to check the video. But anyway, so fastest way to director. So here you have you at the top, you have your 2 people is A and B, their 2 people is 1 and 2, and then their 2 people each is 1A and B, 2A and B, etc. A total of 11,000 in volume, each person active with at least $90, 2 packs of 28 patches. Get this done within 5 months and you earn an extra $1,000 bonus. And the same thing, you want to get this done as soon as possible. So don't worry about that 5-month thing, because you want to get it done in 2 weeks, less than a month, as soon as possible that you can, because like I said, the next levels get harder and harder to get. So you don't want to miss those extra bonuses. You don't want to leave that money on the table, right? So get it done as fast as you can. And so in this example, the same thing, if any of these people, if they don't get them as fast as you'd like them to, and you get another person in, you can strategically place them. Once they go in your back office, under organization, then strategic placement. You'll see that there, and people stay there for 30 days from sign up. So you have 30 days to place them somewhere in your organization. So I always say don't move them right away, but make a note. Like I always put people, my personal signups, I put them on my calendar and I put them at 25 days. I put a reminder. So that way it reminds me to go in and check and see where I want to place the people to help for my business to grow the best that I want it growing. So here in this example, the same thing, we're gonna go, just like your team leader, this is a director. So the same things, it's just basically doubled, right? So your 3 customers, you still have $45. Your level 1 with 2 reps with each 3 customers each is $86.40. Level 2 is $230.40. Level 3 is 8 customers with 8 reps with 3 customers each, $46.08. Add all that up is excuse me, $407.88. So the same thing, you're probably gonna get more through here, and it's never gonna work this exact way, right? Some people are gonna have more, some people are gonna have, more customers, less customers, some people are gonna have more reps or less reps. So it's never gonna work this exact perfect scenario, right? This is only an example, but it's what you could look at for what you could get. And if you have any questions on this, make sure to reach out to me. Make sure to be on our team calls on Monday nights. And that way you can ask questions when we have our open Q&A. So here's our compensation plan at a glance. The same thing, you have this. If you don't have it, send me a text. I'll send it to you, but it's also in our team group. You can download it. I save it to my phone. I look at it often. But on here, you can look at team leader. You look from the top down. So you look team leader, you need 3,000 in sales. If you get it within 3 months, you get $500. As team leader, you get 25% on customers. That's straight across the board. You get 15% on your first level, 10% on your second level, 4% on your third. Once you get to director, you have to have 11,000 in sales. Get it within 5 months, you get an extra $1,000. 25% on customers, same, 15% on level 1, 10% on level 2, 3% on levels 4 and 5. And then once you become managing director, it's all those same things. You get the level 5, you get another 4%, but then you also get 2% to the next managing director down from you. So you keep going down. So it's unlimited basically, right? So you keep going down, you don't worry about it. It says unlimited depth over there. And so you want to get to this managing director as soon as you can, because you get that 2% to unlimited, right? But then when you get to vice president, see here, then you get some extra vice president personal group bonus on volume, 2% of your organizational volume to the next vice president in each leg. Plus you get generation bonuses, 3% of the first generation. So you get these other things also. So you don't worry about that at the beginning. You worry about just worry about what you need to get to the next level and get there. So anyway, I'm going to keep this short and that there. And if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. Hopefully this was sharing my screen. But anyway, I'll get back to you soon. And so make sure to reach out to me if you have any other questions. Okay. Thanks everyone. Have a great night.